Hey everyone, welcome back to Paint the Kitchen Red. I'm so glad you're here today. Today is my first air fryer recipe that I'm going to share with you. I'm using the Instant Pot Duo Crisp air fryer, but you can use any model of air fryer to follow this recipe. I'll go over the ingredients and show you how to make it. You'll need 1.5 pounds of chicken wings separated into drumettes and wingettes, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or vegetable oil, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt or to taste, half a teaspoon of paprika. In this recipe, I'm making buffalo wings, but you don't have to use buffalo sauce. You can use teriyaki sauce or any sauce that you like. To make buffalo wings, you need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 cup of Frank's hot sauce or any hot sauce that you like, just make sure you don't use too much, and 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. To start with, combine the spices, the salt, black pepper, paprika, with olive oil or vegetable oil, and stir the spices together until you have a thick paste. Place the chicken wings in a bowl and pour the sauce all over the wings. Now, normally I would be using my hands to stir the spices into the chicken wings, but since I'm doing the video, I'm going to use a spoon. So I find that using my hands is the best way to coat all the wings with the spices all around. Just make sure you wash your hands really well afterwards or just wear gloves. Now you can put the wings in the refrigerator for 4 hours or 8 hours and you'll have even better flavor. But if you can do at least 30 minutes, that's a good idea. Preheat the air fryer to 400 degrees. Once it's preheated, if you're using an Instant Pot air fryer, place the basket in the inner pot with the metal rack and spray the metal rack with oil. Don't use a canned oil spray because that can ruin the nonstick coating of the basket. Make sure not to overcrowd the basket with the chicken wings. So if you need to split it up into multiple batches, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, it won't cook evenly. And if you're using a traditional air fryer, you might be able to fit all the chicken wings into the basket. Program the air fryer to air fry for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Close the lid and start the air frying process. Halfway through the cooking, around 10 minutes into it, you're going to spray the chicken wings with oil and then turn the wings over. If you find that the wings are sticking or they're a little bit hard to turn, you can air fry for a couple of more minutes to see if they'll loosen up, or you can use a spatula to loosen up the wings. If you have trouble, it's probably because you didn't oil the tray enough. I would say next time just use parchment paper with holes in it. And close the lid again and air fry for the remaining time. Open the lid once the air frying is done and carefully remove the wings to a bowl. If you have trouble, just kind of nudge them a little bit and they should come loose. Now I'm going to make the buffalo sauce. In a medium-sized bowl, stir together the Frank's hot sauce, the melted butter, and the Worcestershire sauce. Using a whisk, stir the ingredients together until they form a smooth sauce, and add your chicken wings to the sauce. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need to use buffalo sauce. You can use teriyaki sauce, lemon pepper sauce, any kind of homemade or store-bought sauce. Stir all the chicken wings in the sauce to make sure the sauce coats the chicken wings completely. These wings are so crispy and I hope you get a chance to try them out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.